Okay, so this is machine learning project 2 video. We're going to run 2 data sets for this. Well, first off, we're going to kick off the run real quick so we can get that going. This is going to take a little bit. We're going to run 2 data sets, the segmentation process, which is the image data, and the machine process, which is the computer data. And we're going to run it 5-fold validation, run it with a k value of 13. We're only going to run the 1k value just so we're not, looking at results over and over. We should, just to show you how it runs, we'll just run the 1k value. And then what we're going to do is we're going to run for the image or the segmentation data. We're going to run it on KNN, edited KNN, condensed KNN, the edited, then k-means. So we'll condense the training data with edited, run it with k-means, and then also edited k-medoids, so reduce down the training data with edited and then run on k-medoids as well. And for those, we're going to calculate our accuracy with the f-score. So we'll show that that works. And then down here, we're going to run k-means and k-medoids on the computer data set, since that's discrete values, and we'll run the regression analysis instead of f-score on that. So you'll get to see an example of f-score, an example of regression analysis to figure out how good our algorithm runs. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this run and print out results, and then we'll come back and talk about the results shortly once it finishes. All right, so our results have finished, or I guess our data sets have finished running, so let's give a quick overview of the results. So with our KNN, it runs, you can see we ran a k-value of 13, and this is our confusion matrices printed here, and we get an f-score of not so great, but 0.027. Unfortunately, for this example, this data set had the worst performance for us, but it's also the smallest, so it runs the fastest. Yeah. And then with, you can see the edited ran here. You can see our f-score improved a little bit, but still not great. Condensed ran here. F-score improved even more with a little more with condensed. We ran edited k-means here, and then also the edited k-medoids here. Also, this is just a warning we get, just because the way we set up some of the structure is not an error. It still runs fine. So then to show that the k-means works, this is our initially passed in set of clusters for k-means. Actually, no, that's not what that is. Yeah, it didn't print anything we told it to print.
For what?
For k-medoids or k-means, it didn't print anything we told it to print. So we'll just cut that out, and then I'm going to scroll back down. I'm going to say, okay, so, and then this printout here is just showing our regression of what the actual class was to our guest class. You see we get it with k-means on the machine data set, we got a mean squared error of 44. And then for k-medoids on the machine data set, we got a mean squared error of 49.